Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. We are 27 days, 15 hours, 22 minutes, and 45 seconds away from history in Canada. Cannabis will be legalized recreationally for all Canadians. And there is some big winners today once again. Look at all the winners. Unbelievable. Leading the way, which I predicted. I told everyone it was going to $200. It's at $231 Tilray. I told you not to short Tilray. For those of you that have shorted Tilray, may you rest in peace. But for those of you who have won on Tilray, wow. And how about Chronos Group today? Cron at $14.95. Wow, 29% up. How about IGC up 27%? How about Planet 13 PLTH up 22%? How about HIPH in our group chat? Everyone making a killing up 23%. How about PREV? Attila's Pick. Everyone in our group making a killing up 20%. How about Neo today? Bouncing back up 12%. How about Aurora Cannabis? Up 12%. How about the MJ ETF? Up 11%. How about Pharma? FSD Pharma, huge, up 11%. How about Camisa CSI, up 14%. And a penny stock players network at 6 cents, PNTV, up 10%. Just to name a few. We'll go into Charlotte's Web, CWB up 8%, and CanTrust TRSD up 8%. Just to name a few of the winners, they all keep climbing. Your boy Rich has predicted all of these winners. Now remember, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Always buy in the red, sell in the green, take your money and run. What is the big news of the day? Aurora Cannabis completes distribution of Australis Capital. Beautiful! This is huge news, and it is in my account right now. Anybody who owned Aurora Cannabis stock now has Australis Capital Corp, currently trading at $8.87, and AUSA.WT, which is the warrants, which are currently trading at $8. Now, the way it works is if you had 500 Aurora Cannabis shares, you are getting 14 shares of AUSA and 14 shares of AUSA.WT. Not bad. Free money for everybody today that was holding Aurora Cannabis shares. It was a beautiful surprise. So happy to see it. And let's just read what Aurora broke as far as the news. Here we go. Aurora Cannabis, or the company, ACB on the Toronto Stock Exchange, ACBFF on the OCQB, and A1C4WM in Frankfurt, Germany today announced that it has completed its previously announced distribution of Australis shares and warrants the distribution. Now, a lot of Americans have been asking me, how do I buy this? If it's in Canada, you can do it through Fidelity. Through Fidelity, you can purchase Canadian stocks. It's true. So that answers your question. A lot of you have been hammering me with that question. Rich, how do I do it? How do I do it? I want to buy shares of Rivers tomorrow. You got to get an account set up with Fidelity right away. Okay? The distribution was completed on September 19th, 2018, otherwise known as today. And the Australis shares and warrants will commence trading on the CSE, the Canadian Securities Exchange, Canadian Stock Exchange, under the symbol AUSA, effective at the market open today, and it has been a roller coaster. So we all anticipated it was going to be trading way lower. It exploded up, went to $8, went to a high of $16, okay? Went from $8, it opened up at $8, went to $16. It is now back to $8.87. The warrants opened up, I believe, at, it doesn't show the low here. I believe it opened up at $4 or $6, and it skyrocketed all the way up to $11.49. It is now trading back at $8. And you can see it's up 48%. So I think it probably opened up around $5.60. So it has been a roller coaster ride. You can buy AUSA and AUSA.WT right now. It's true. You can see some of the picks that I'm watching here. There's a lot of green today. The Green Organic Dutchman is up 7%. AUSA is down currently 11%. AUSA.WT is up 48%. Huge is skyrocketing up 8%. Tilray is up a staggering 49% at $232. Canopy Growth up 5% at $54. PLTH, Planet 13 Holdings, up 24% at $2.80. IGC up 27% at $1.79. Aurora Cannabis up 11% at $12.31 as predicted. And HIPH, a penny stock, up 24% at 4 cents. American Premium Water Corp. So let's go back to the market. You can see the Canadian market is green again today. Unbelievable. 4 days in a row in the green. And look at the winners. Chronos Group is exploding. You can see all the winners in the green. We have a lot of green today. If you are shopping, buy in the red. If you're looking to sell something in the green. Now, let's go back into this news. The distribution was completed, and in accordance with the terms of the distribution, eligible Aurora shares were paid out 1 unit of Auroras for every 34 Aurora shares outstanding as of August 24, 2018, the record date. Each unit consists of 1 common share and 1 share purchase warrant of Australis. Each warrant entitles the holder thereof to acquire 1 share at an exercise price of 25 cents per Australis share on or prior to 4 p.m. Eastern on the date that is 1 year after the distribution. So check this out. These shares are currently trading at $8. You can actually purchase 1 warrant for every share you own at an exercise price of 25 cents when the shares are actually already at $8. So that is huge. I'm going to be looking into that, and when I do look into that and when I talk to my broker about how that works, I will break a video for you guys to understand exactly what that means. But that essentially means 40 times your money based on today's prices, which is crazy. So I will look into that for you. As described in further detail in the final prospectus, no units were issued to shareholders who are or were deemed to be non-residents of Canada. So this is the thing. If you are not from Canada, you will not get the opportunity to get the stock. However, they will be paying you in cash. Check this out. Rather, such units have been delivered to a custodian for sale in the open market following the distribution, and the net cash proceeds will be delivered to non-resident shareholders net of any withholding taxes. So they will be sending you your cash right into your account. Nothing wrong with cash. Cash is king. Following the distribution, Aurora has no direct ownership interest in Australis. So understand this. Aurora no longer owns any direct ownership in Australis whatsoever. They are their own entity. They are their own person, their own business, solely, completely independent from Aurora. However, Aurora does hold 2 warrants, allowing the company to acquire an ownership interest at such time in the future within 10 years when holding investments in U.S. cannabis assets will become permissible. So I fully intend Aurora to own a big piece of this company in the future once it's legal in America. That's the play here. That's the play here. With the completion of this distribution, we have delivered an immediate return of capital to Aurora shareholders while enabling the Australis team to proceed with their mandate to invest in U.S. cannabis assets with high growth potential. Terry Booth, CEO of Aurora. Terry, I love you, buddy. We'd love to have you on Rich TV Live. You just gave free money to all your shareholders. Everybody in Aurora should be rejoicing. Congratulations to all the winners. Free shares, free money for everybody who owns shares. Love this move. Australis Management Board of Directors and Investment Committee are well positioned to leverage their collective knowledge and extensive experiences to rapidly execute on the tremendous opportunity ahead to generate substantial long-term shareholder value. Scott Dowdy, CEO of Australis, added, "We will leverage the opportunities created by a fragmented U.S. cannabis market. With limited access to growth capital, we have not wasted time and have already identified a number of strong assets within this market that we believe have high growth potential. With the completion of our oversubscribed private placement, we have the funds to start executing on these opportunities immediately and deliver growth." Especially after watching what Tilray has done, what do you think is the plan here? I think this is brilliant. This is genius. This is going to explode. This is a big winner, and you heard it here first from your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. I love you, Aurora. I love you even more now. Free money for everybody in Aurora. This is a brilliant move. They are a big player making a big move and a big statement. Australis, AUSA, here it is, AUSA, it's true, $8.87, and AUSA.WT, the warrants at $8, and Aurora Cannabis Inc. at $12.31, up 11% on the day. The warrants are up 48%. Australis Capital Corp down 11%, but it was at $16, people. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. We are not licensed advisors. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Now, if you want to find all the winners, just go to www.richtvlive.com, scroll over stocks. All the tools I use every single day, absolutely free, are right there. It's true. We are 27 days, 15 hours, 10 minutes, and 40 seconds away from history. Australis, a new IPO thanks to Aurora Cannabis, AUSA, and AUSA.WT. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace. Oh, and if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you can. It's true. Just email your boy, richtvlive@gmail.com, and you can join the winning team. The secret is here. It's true. All within that group. We drop the hits and the picks daily. Peace. This time for real.